Hey guys, I'm here with Joanne Jobin. We're in London at a small mining conference, but we're here to talk about a much bigger event coming up in Canada in June next year. And so, Joanne, what have you been up to since I saw you?
Well, a little bit of machination, but it's all working out. So, 4 years ago in 22, right after COVID, I had seen this gap in the Canadian market for a long time. Basically, like, why aren't we creating or having our own independent investment conference in Canada? So we launched with the Mining Investment Event of the North.
Yeah.
A rather modest little affair.
Yeah.
That has grown 300% in 4 years. We're going on to our 5th year. And, that's going very well. But I also identified, I guess, late last year, sort of mid last year, that we really needed to grow this conference. And what better way to do that than to actually have our very own International Mining Week in Canada. Right. So we announced that via global press release in early October. And I'm delighted to say that we have had amazing traction. We announced it with our 2 partners, which is ITFA, the International Traders and Forfeiters Association, which represents the supply chain for the mining industry. So if you can imagine the bullion traders, the copper concentrate guys, the shippers, the freighters, the logistics people, the insurance brokers, the bankers, all of that is actually coming to Quebec City. We also launched with the AMQ, which is the Association Minière de Québec, which actually represents all of the global producers that are in Quebec, such as Hecla, Rio Tinto, Champion Iron, Vale. All of those are part of that association. And they will be in Quebec as well, and hopefully they'll also be coming to see us. But what's really exciting about this is that the plenary sessions and everything else that is going on is literally running at the same time that we're doing our event. So there's going to be tons of cross-pollination and a much bigger crowd at the event because of it. So we are celebrating our very first International Mining Week with those 3 partners. We have more sponsors that are coming on board. Officially, we have Marsh, we have the Mercury Group, we have the government of Newfoundland who are partners, and there's other people who will be coming on board.
Well, let's talk about the international bit, okay? Because
Yes.
I think there was a slight fallacy in the early days. People believe this is a Quebec-based conference,
Yes.
therefore it's for Quebec company and for Quebec investors. I think you've knocked that one on the head slightly.
Yeah, well, my vision was always to create a global conference in Quebec. And right now, Canada is at the center of the mining world, particularly on securing critical metals. So with that being said, we're going to have a lot of different provincial participation with government officials. I've had lots of verbal confirmation from various provinces, from their ministers or deputy ministers that will be coming. We will have a provincial panel. We also, I'm pretty sure we're going to have some good federal engagement as well.
Right.
So, that's truly all across Canada. And when you look at Canada and you look at where their mining footprint is, it is global. I mean, you can go to Timbuktu and have a Canadian mining company putting a drill in the ground somewhere, but they're guaranteed they're TSX listed. So, Canadian mining is truly global. And this is what we're doing. We are allowing Canadian mining to shine on a global platform in one of the most beautiful cities in the world, Quebec City.
It is for sure. But in terms of people kind of looking into Canada, the likes of, the funds in Europe, funds in Africa these days, and North America, what about them?
We are well ahead of engagement on our investor outreach. We have over 7,000 names in our database. And we are well ahead of people signing up. And yes, we are getting people from Europe.
Yep.
We are getting a lot of traction from the US this year. I have been marketing very hard in the US. I'm going to Saudi in the new year as well. I want to bring as many funds and investors from all over the world into Quebec City.
Yep. Well, that's the name of the game, really, isn't it, for everyone?
Yeah.
So like, this is multifaceted. The International Mining Week
Yes.
itself is being held in a separate venue because it's
Yes.
quite a big
Yes.
setup. It's actually running over 5 days, not 4 like the...
Exactly. I mean, we have a golf day.
Yeah.
We have a golf tournament on
Yeah.
the 1st that a lot of people are signing up for. You know, our event is running 2nd to 4th. We have plenary sessions from the 2nd to the 3rd. AMQ is running 3rd and 4th. And
Right.
then ITFA is going to be using our stage to do their presentation on the 1st in the
Right.
afternoon.
Right, okay.
So lots of plenary sessions happening. We have the first ever National Indigenous Symposium,
Okay.
which is going to be headlined by Yvonne Jones, who's the former MP of Labrador and is Indigenous herself. So I'm thrilled with that as well.
Tell me the importance of that. Why did you feel the need to do that?
Mining in Canada does not exist without Indigenous partnership. So, and it's sort of the lifeblood of the mining industry right now. You cannot proceed without engaging with the Indigenous nations across our country.
It's also quite nice this year to sort of see some of these groups put their hands in their pockets and
Well,
start investing in some projects.
Exactly, and you know, and they have also matured alongside with the mining industry and understand that, you know, and I don't want to speak for them obviously, but you know, there's business to be made so that your communities can thrive. So, you know, we see that happening across everywhere. And Yvonne Jones will be one of the first people to tell you how important it is to embrace mining so that it helps your community.
Right, and let's talk about what's in it for investors. So
Yeah.
we talked about some of the institutional investors, some of the sovereign investors coming through there, provincial and federal coming to
Right.
the party. For retail investors wanting to come and see what's going on there,
Yeah.
what's in it for them?
So, you know, I've always had a soft spot in my heart for retail investors. So, you know, retail investors can come for, you know, it doesn't cost anything for investors to come to our conference, as you know. And the retail investors, you know, they can go back and forth between the plenary sessions and whatever else they want. But, you know, our conference is all encompassing. So tons of networking, as you know.
Yeah.
All the evening events are all included.
Yeah.
You know, they can sit down and look at some amazing presentations.
Yeah.
16 or 17 unbelievable panels.
Yeah.
Lots of speakers. And, you know, if they are qualified, they can participate in the one-on-one meeting program as well.
And that's a fantastic opportunity. And I can vouch for this. I've been doing it for the last 5 years. Sitting and looking someone in the eyes, asking them the question you want to ask, and look in their face when they respond. Nothing more powerful than that.
You know,
really
you can't do that on a Zoom call. Sorry, you can't do it on a Zoom call.
Can't do it on a Zoom call.
No.
I do it on a Zoom call, by the way.
Yeah, but you've also met them somewhere along the line.
You need a
face to
relationship, is what we're
face.
saying.
Exactly.
Yeah, like so for retail, come along, get
Yes.
involved, ask the questions, and you get a real sense of what's
Yeah.
right for you, what maybe not so good for you. But you're also meeting lots and lots of companies in one go. Fantastic. 3 days.
3 days.
The mining investment event.
Yes, no
right?
of the North. We dropped that
dropped
last
that.
year.
We
We
love
did.
that.
I know, but really, we are a mining investment event. You know, we're the event. You can't miss it.
international, folks.
It's international.
Right, you heard it here first.
Exactly.
Okay, so the over the 3 days, what sorts of conversations are going to be happening up on stage? You know, do we have the students coming back?
Oh
what's
my
going on?
God, the students! I'm so thrilled.
Yeah.
50 students all across Canada. We have 3 really exciting sponsors this year. Glencore is taking the bulk of it, of course, but we also have Ore Royalties, and I Am Gold has stepped up to the plate. So I'm thrilled with that. So, that's a very unique program. I would say we are the largest fully funded conference student program in the country right now. So it's free for the students.
Right.
So, and we pick them from across the whole
Yeah.
spectrum. So it's like metallurgy, engineering, business finance, communications, earth sciences,
Right.
whatever.
Get
If
involved.
you're interested in mining, and that's all I'm hearing these days is we need to get the younger people in.
Yep. Yep.
So, that's how we participate in the industry and be sustainable. And I think we were one of the first conferences to not just say, hey, you got a special rate here. If you're a student,
Yeah.
here's $5 off. But we're like, no, we are going to take care of you and we're going to teach you about the mining industry.
Yeah, I think from the last few years, so they've been super, super excited. Because they felt super, super privileged to get access to sorts of people they probably
It's
wouldn't
unprecedented.
do. Some of the topics being discussed on stage, what are the people talking about at the moment?
So, we want to do, obviously, a finance panel. We have a really interesting sort of Dragon's Den panel style thing that we're going to do this year. Mike Weckerly is coming on as a big sponsor this year with Altitude Capital. So we're going to do something really fun with that. He was one of Canada's dragons. We are going to, of course, do a provincial panel this year, a copper panel, a silver panel, maybe a gold panel with the way things are going.
I think the gold pit will be too busy counting their money. I'm not sure they'll have time.
I know. So sad. So sad. But, George Peary got on stage the other day at the Northern Miner Symposium and said, mining is sexy again, right? And I mean, everyone kind of chuckled in the audience.
Yeah.
But it's true. It's fantastic.
I think the money's sexy.
Well, that too. I agree.
It's obviously it's super exciting times.
Yes.
For sure, and you've got a lot going on there for retail, a lot going on for the larger investors as well. Just back to the International Mining Week, because it's kind of like we have an event here in London called LME. It's a bit disparate. It's a bit all over the place, and you're never quite sure who's in town and who's not.
Right.
And how many meetings are actually happening. What do you think it does for the sector to kind of show this kind of this strength and power in numbers in one place? Why did you choose that format?
Well, again, I saw a need for it, and when we knew ITFA was coming and AMQ was coming, I turned around to my VP Ops and I said, I think we have an International Mining Week here, and we're just going to claim it. and
Well, it does what it says.
And I'm like, well, let's look to see if nobody else has claimed it in North America, and nobody has. So that's it. I mean, we planted a flag in the ground, and fortune favors the bold, right?
Well, it's been a kind of funny market for the past few years in the sense that it hasn't been in vogue. And all of a sudden we've seen this tremendous rush driven by gold, obviously, and silver coming a close second, where it's important again. Yes. And it's getting the attention in the media that it perhaps wasn't. I'm talking about mainstream media, which it wasn't for a while. So it's nice to sort of see this coming together under one roof.
Right. And that's what we're it's hard to be all things for all people, and we don't want to dilute in that way.
Yeah.
All we're doing is we're calling it a name, and we're inviting people to come and do a cocktail or a plenary session, or be a sponsor. Maybe you want to just have your name on International Mining Week, and you'll be a sponsor of the International Mining Week After Dark event, or something along those lines, right? We're not twisting anybody's arm. We're saying, come and join us for this fabulous week where there's all sorts of things happening.
What I've liked, not just the evolution of your idea to what we're talking about today, but is what you are. Do you know what I mean? It's like I go to these conferences and they are a kind of mixed bag of, it's like designed by committee. It's like a mixed bag of not quite sure what we are, who we are, what we're doing, or who for, but do come along. Right. And it doesn't, people walk away, go slightly disappointed and go, not quite sure why I went, and now I'm not quite sure what I've got out of it.
Right.
It feels you're very clear in your vision.
Yeah, we are an investment conference that is inclusive.
Right.
Number one.
Yeah.
So, you know, if you're a real junior with a micro cap under 10 million, we have a place for you.
Yeah.
And you are welcome in.
Yeah.
Yes, it's by invitation only. We are exclusive, but we are inclusive. And we are for the investor and we are for the issuer. And because I've been in this game for
20 years now.
30 odd years. I'm going to say I started when I was 12. That's my story and I'm sticking to it.
Yeah.
But, you know, I have been to a lot of these conferences. And I'm going to say to you, you know, I know as a mining company what I want out of these conferences. And I know how I want to be treated more than anything. So we work really hard to treat everybody respectfully.
Yeah. No, and the thing is, as some of the companies have said to me, is like what they get is obviously access to investors, which is fantastic, but it's an opportunity to talk about their company in a way that they don't normally get.
Exactly.
You know, so I think that's fantastic.
Exactly.
Well, Joanne, I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you.
June this year. So any companies who haven't yet signed up, you should get aboard.
Yes,
Investors are there.
We are almost completely sold out.
Yeah.
We have about 20 spots left and we're done.
Right. Okay.
And then it's like industry invite only.
Yeah, and I'd say on the institutional side, get here, you get access to real people all in one room.
You can
all at
register
same
on the
time.
website.
Right.
Super easy to do.
Right.
Give us a call. We're always happy to answer your call, your questions.
jjobin@irinc.ca. It says
That's moi.
okay. Joanne, lovely to see you, and you better get back over there and pound the streets some more.
Yes, exactly. Thanks
See
for
ya.
having me.
Bye.